So here we're at a point now against the wall where we actually have to utilize the Power Jack 100, which is our wall jack designed for 3/4 inch solid as well as 3/4 inch engineered. But what happens here is we got a gap here that we can't reach our mallet in here to tap it tight. So what we're going to do is take our power jack and we're going to crank it to where we push against the wall and make that board tight. Now careful, you can see the wall move. Don't overdo it because you will break your drywall. But as we got that tight now we can come in with the BR50 and go ahead and pop that in. Now I'm going to pop to release it. You push forward, that releases it, and then we can slide it down. And be careful when you slide it because you don't want to scuff your pre-finished floor. But we're going to push this in again to make that gap tight again. And then we're just going to finish